Hi everyone, this is Nandi. I am at Brayton Hill. So I'm very close to my home. This is a section of Portmore called Brayton Hill. I'm gonna turn so you can have an idea. That's up the hill. This is just the foothills, right? This is almost like the plain. So usually in the mornings and in the evenings, a lot of persons come and they walk up this hill for exercise, to keep fit. I've not been up this hill in about, I think since last year. I think last year was the last time I came up here. So I'm gonna take you with me on this hike. Let's call it a hike. So here I am. No, I'm not sure if I'm fit enough to handle this hill. Haven't been up here for a while. So let me turn so you can have an idea. So there are the people going up. Can you see them? Lots of people come up here in the mornings. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me. It's quite a good distance up the hill. Start breathing hard already. You see, I'm not very fit right now. In the mornings I do my laps, but that's like on a level field. On the level field I do 10 laps in the mornings. This is uphill. I don't know, maybe you guys gonna have to come for me. Come get me. Wow. Yeah, so I do 10 laps every morning. I also used to train karate, but haven't trained since about 6 months. So I'm tired already, guys. Come get me. Come and get me. This is where I'm coming from. So that's down the hill and that's up the hill. This is just the beginning, guys. This is just, wow. This is just the beginning. All right, so here we go. So if you see me fall, you know where I am. Come get me. I'm in Brayton on the hill. This is me in the yellow blouse. In the yellow blouse that says, what does it say? Hello summer. Just look for me, guys. If I fall, come get me, right? Okay. So we have people coming down, people going up. So right now it's what, 5:30? 5:30 in the morning. So you have people here from like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Wow, I'm not even at the first level, guys. People passing me go down, some coming up. Morning.
Me? Yeah. You're not so mad.
People doing exercise.
Wednesday the 29th.
So we have some people doing exercise over that side. I'm going up the hill. Oh Lord. Haven't been here. Oh wow. A lot of people there doing exercise. See guys? Here we have a group of people there. So they are doing exercises. Oh, maybe they climbed the hill already. They came early and climbed the hill.
I'm here to wake her up every morning. I'm going to wake up Jayla. So Jayla gets up. Remember, you have
Guys. Hello.
Hey.
You don't come on that side again?
No, I've been going up.
But I thought
10
you gone back up.
on the 8th of August, I leave.
Oh, the 8th.
Yeah, so in a couple of weeks. Yeah.
I'm doing this for my YouTube channel.
Okay. I've been going up so much, 10 times.
What? 10 times since this morning?
No, Tuesday I went 10 times, but I go 6 normally. Normally 6.
So this is how much?
2.
Woo!
So 4 more.
I don't know if I can go one.
You'll make it. I was thinking about you too.
Yeah.
I was planning on coming to see you before I leave.
Okay, good. Alright. Wow, 6 times. My friend is saying he goes up and down 6 times every morning. Guys, I don't know if I can make one time. Well, I've been up here many times, right? I've been up here many times, but I think last year was the last time I came, but I always just go up and down and go home. This guy is saying 6 times. Oh my God. Guys, if you see me fall, don't hesitate. I'm in a yellow top. Oh, morning. Oh Lord. I'm in a yellow top. And oh Lord, I'm showing you the chocolate belly, guys. Come get me if you see me fall, okay? Don't hesitate. Oh, you have these people coming down. They have been up here from like 4. Wow. So that's up. This is nowhere near the top, guys. My God, I'm tired. I'm not fit. Not fit at all. So that's where I'm coming from. So this is Portmore. You're looking at Greater Portmore there down the bottom. Beautiful. Sun is not yet up. I'm sweating, guys. Oh, Lord. Sweating. Good thing I have you guys with me, so you know in case of anything. Morning. Morning, morning.
Morning. I think a chicken alone. And chicken 22 September will come to.
Guys, oh my God. So that's, look at that. Look at that. See that hill? That's nowhere near the top, guys. Nowhere near the top. Wow. Morning. I'm tired, guys. So, see, we're going up that hill now. I'm sweating. Oh, Lord. You hear me breathing? I'm not fit. Wow. I need to do this every morning. Some people do this like, you heard my friend, 6 times. What the hell? Well, he's in the Navy, United States Navy. So he's stuck here. He's been stuck here since March 3rd. Can't leave until August. Wow. So, because of the lockdown, you know. So, he's in the Marines. I'm not gonna compare myself to a guy in the Marines, okay? I'm just doing one. So, those are people coming down, some going up. So these guys have been here from like 4, 5. I think my 10 laps in the morning is a big fraction of what I would get from this. Oh Lord, I need to do this in the mornings. So it's what, 13 minutes? Guys. I'm winded. I wanna go home. I want a bus. I want a cab. I want a bicycle. Guys, I'm barely going. See, that's the hill. That's not the top. There's more to it, guys. Oh, Lord, I'm tired. I want to go home. That's Greater Portmore down there. That's where I live. Jamaica. Barely going. Excuse me.
You want him and beat him up. And you know what happened to what here? We got the Andrews. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna follow that. No, actually, right?
Hi.
Morning. Oh my.
Made it.
You're back up again,
Yeah,
and I haven't finished half.
you'll make it.
See, he's on his third. He's gonna do 6. Oh my, tired guys. That's where I'm coming from. Sweating. Oh wow. Morning. Oh man, guys. So that's the pole. Oh man, we have like I think 1 peak left. 1 peak left to go.
Can use the internet to help him.
If you look good, you can see the plains of the plains of St. Catherine. If you look good. This is part of the highest hills we have in this part of St. Catherine. The Hellshire Hills, part of the Hellshire Hills. Oh man. Guys. Okay, so we're almost at the top. Almost at the top. That's the final incline. Oh Lord, guys, I'm almost there. I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there. Cheer me on. Cheer me on. Cheer me on. I made it.
Yeah. 3 more for me.
3 more for you?
Yeah.
Oh. People are racing up the damn hill. What the hell? These people have nothing to do. They're racing up the hill. Like they have nothing to do in life. That's the tower. So this belongs to some government agency of the sort. Oh Lord, guys. I'm like a couple feet from the top. You have people do this couple times, 3 times, 4 times, what the hell? Look at that. That's St. Catherine.
We'll go back down about 8 minutes too. So it takes 27 minutes to come up back.
That's St. Catherine. Parts of St. Catherine. That down there, that's the rest of, that's parts of Portmore, Greater Portmore. That's my home, baby. That's where I live. That's where I live and work and eat and drink and sleep. So guys, I'm at the top. It took me 21 minutes. 21 minutes. I'm at the top. I'm at the top. Top. Excuse me. Let me give you a view of Kingston. Morning. Okay, so that's parts of Kingston and St. Andrew. So I'm in St. Catherine now. Guys, I made it to the top. I made it to the top. I mean, I've been up here many times, but not in a long while. Not in a long while. Okay, so I'm gonna sign out now. I'm heading back down the hill, which you know is no hassle, right, guys? Very easy to go down. But you have some persons who come up, like my friend. He's in the Marines, guys. He does this 6 times every morning. What the hell? You think I could do this 6 times every morning? That's my goal. Should that be my goal? Oh, Lord. I don't know if I want to make that goal. Alright guys, signing out. I made it to the top. Thanks for coming with me. You didn't have to come rescue me, that's good. But I know you would have my back. If I fell, I know you would be here within minutes. So I'm in good hands. This is Nandi signing out. Thanks guys. Thanks for being on this journey with me. I am in sweat. You can wring me out. You think my tummy shrank any after this journey? I don't know. You think my tummy shrank any since the last 24 minutes?